Ever kept hitting refresh on a broken website and on every hit it only made things worse? That's exactly what can happen between microservices when one is down unless you use the circuit breaker pattern. Let me explain. Hey everyone, welcome back to Programmers Mode. So in this video, I will show you what the circuit breaker pattern is, why it's super useful in microservices, and how it keeps your system from crashing like a pile of dominoes. Let's get into it. Imagine you're calling another service, maybe to get user info or process a payment, and that service is down or say super slow. Your service keeps trying again and again and again. Not only does it fail, but now your service is overloaded too. This can cause a chain of reaction where multiple services start failing. We call it cascading failure. Now, the circuit breaker pattern stops this mess. It's like an electrical circuit in your house. If something goes wrong, the breaker flips. No more call go through until things cool down. In software, this means if a service keeps failing, we trip the circuit and stop trying for a while. We either return a default response or show an error. But we don't keep making things worse. There are three states. First is closed. Everything's working, requests go through. The second one is open. Too many failures, we stop all the calls. Half open. So what happens in this is after a timeout, we test this. If it works, we close the circuit. If not, back to open again. Simple, smart, and saves your system from a meltdown. It's like calling a friend who's not picking up. After a few tries, you stop calling for a bit instead of just spamming them non-stop. Obviously, it differs case to case. Then later you try once, and if they answer, great. If not, then you wait again. So as you can see in this flow diagram, the request is traveling from client to circuit breaker. So we have here three services, out of which two services do have like closed circuit and they are working absolutely fine. But if you see service 1, it has a open circuit, which simply means that service 1 is currently down and circuit breaker is kind of not allowing to make request to service 1. So in this way, we are protecting services from each other. That's what circuit breakers do. They don't fix failures. People do often get confused that these are used for fixing microservices, but no, they are just being used for stopping the request from flowing. Use circuit breakers when calling unreliable or slow services, especially third-party APIs. It's one of the best ways to build resilient, failure-proof systems. Was this helpful? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know your favorite pattern in microservices. Stay safe out there and break the circuit before it breaks your system.